Hi everyone, I want to show you a hybrid between a buttercup squash that looks like this, small and green, and a pumpkin. So last year I grew a buttercup squash plant like this. I kept the seeds over the winter, planted them in the spring, and was waiting for more green squashes like this to come out. But instead, what came out was this orange and much larger plant or fruit. It looks more like a pumpkin than a squash. And here's another one right here. It's got the yellow and orangey color to it, and as you can see, much bigger. So what can happen is last year perhaps a bee pollinated or took the pollen from one pumpkin and brought it over to the buttercup squash plant, pollinated it. I got a buttercup squash that looked like this. However, its offspring, its baby seeds, were a hybrid between the two. And when they grew, they looked like this. Kind of cool. Now, sometimes a cross-pollinated squash can make people sick. They might have a toxin in them that can give an upset stomach. So if you were to ever eat one of these hybrids, if it tastes bitter, you have to make sure you spit it out right away. I'm going to use these as decorations, but it just shows you what can happen when you harvest your own seeds. You really don't know who pollinated what and what the offspring look like. So kind of just another adventure in the garden. Thanks everyone.